Hey everyone, it's James and welcome back to another clock video. This is my Hamilton bracket mantle clock and we're going to be taking a look at it. Let me give you guys a little overview of it. I got this from an estate sale back in December of 2020. Got it for a really nice price. Unfortunately, it does not run, but the chimes work perfectly on it. So here's the front access door. It's a really nice clock, and I actually took it to the clock shop to see if I could get a quote for how much it would be to fix it, since, like I said, it doesn't run. They told me that this clock is like 200 years old, which it's incredible. They said it was from 1817, I believe, so it's about 203, 204 years old, which is really cool. Anyway, we're going to be taking a look at this clock today. So anyway, this is the front door. Allows you to get to the hands and everything. You have a silence and chime switch right there, which is pretty nice. And I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Let me flip it over. Flipping it over, we have the back access door, which has the chimes and everything. So we can just slide this off. And here are the chimes. Yeah, very similar setup to the Hersheyed, except the Hersheyed clock that I have cannot be silenced. Fortunately, this thing does not run. You can kind of start that thing up, but ticker, but it will stop. See, up, it just stops like that. It probably needs to be cleaned. Overall, it's a really nice clock, and I really would like to get this thing up and running someday. This is the key for it. Don't know if I'll be able to do a winding video unless I really wind down the chimes on it. But anyway, so we're going to take an in-depth look at it. So I'm going to let you guys hear it as well. So you guys are going to get to hear, well, because it's already on the 45, I'm just going to go all the way up. We'll do the hour strike and then up to 45 again. So we'll just move it up an hour. So here we go. And there you go, you just heard it chime 5 o'clock. Now let's do 15 after. I'll let you guys see it from the back. I'm going to make a quick cut real quick. I'm going to move it up to 6 o'clock and I'm going to start it off with the 15-minute chime instead of doing the hour strike chime. So let's go to that. Alright, now I'll let you guys see it from the back. Here we go. So the hour strike does have a small problem. It should sound like this, but it doesn't slam it down hard enough. But overall, this is a really nice clock, and I think it's great. It would be nice if I could definitely get this thing up and running in the future. And it struck 8 o'clock because I had to do a retake because I got it up to 7, and then I had to do a retake. So because got off track and stuff. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a really nice clock. Again, I'd really like to get this thing up and running in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. CLS, that means comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.